E weche matimore aluora mag counties wa makaluo e county ma Kisumu, od buch county ma Kisumu oloso strategic plan mabiro tiyo kochakore higa mar 2020 nyaka 2024 mageto miyo od buch county noero bedo mabera moloyo moko duto e pacho kaendi. E kinde manosidha yanga strategic plan makamano, speaker mar od buch county ma Kisumu manoeri Elisha Oraro owacho ni nitiere thuon wach abich e oboke noero mabiro loko county assembly ma Kisumu. Oraro owacho ni chenro mar chiwo services abiro idho malo kendo biro ting'o malo dwaro mar jopiny e county ma Kisumu.
The plan envisages a new vision. We wanted a vision that is easier to recognize, and that's why we came up with that particular vision of a model, independent and people-responsive county assembly in Kenya. That is what we are working towards. Anything that we do will be geared towards us being a model, independent, people-responsive county assembly in Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, the strategic plan that we are launching today has taken into cognizance 5 key strategic issues. Ladies and gentlemen, in terms of implementation of this plan, we require resources, as I've said. And while the resources allocated to the assembly are by no means little, they are hardly adequate to facilitate the effective execution of its mandate. We get money, it's fairly good, but it is hardly adequate for us to undertake our mandate.